In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete cookies from one website in Chrome quickly and safely without clearing your entire browser history or wiping out cookies for every site you use. This is really helpful if a website is acting weird, not logging in properly, or showing outdated information, but you still want to keep your other saved logins and browsing data intact. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple step-by-step tech guides. Let's get started. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. You can do this from your desktop, taskbar, or start menu, depending on your device. Once Chrome is open, go to the website where you want to delete the cookies. For example, this could be Facebook, YouTube, Gmail, or any other site that's giving you trouble. Make sure the website is fully loaded before you continue. This part is important because Chrome needs to recognize the site you're currently visiting so it can show you the correct cookie and site data options for that specific domain. Now, look at the left side of the address bar. You should see either a lock icon or a site settings icon, depending on the website and your Chrome version. Click that icon and Chrome will open a small menu with website permissions and data options. This is the fastest way to access settings for the current site without digging through the full browser settings. From this menu, click Cookies and Site Data or Site Settings. In some versions of Chrome, you may see one option first and then another submenu after that. The goal is to get to the stored data that belongs only to this website. If you see Manage on-device site data, click that next. This will show you the cookies and stored site information saved specifically for the page you're on. At this point, you'll be able to see the data stored by that website. Now look for the trash icon or delete icon next to the website data. Click it to remove the cookies for that site. If Chrome asks you to confirm the action, go ahead and confirm. Once you do that, the cookies for that one website will be deleted, while your other site cookies remain untouched. This is the best option if you want to fix a single website without signing out of everything else. After deleting the cookies, refresh the page or sign in again if needed. In many cases, this solves loading issues, login problems, or strange behavior right away. If you want, you can also repeat this process for any other website that needs a fresh start. Just open the site, click the lock icon, go to Cookies and Site Data, and delete the stored data for that specific domain. And that's it. You've now learned how to delete cookies from one website in Chrome without clearing everything else. If this video helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next quick tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.